There will always be the memory of you, your idealism, the notion of your success, bright-eyed, bushy-tailed, shining in the glass. Pride came before the fall. I had to stoop to lose it all. The ground below gave way, falling forever through the Milky Way. But our existence cannot harm us. It is not our state of affairs that which we fear. It is the demons, they run from us as we put on grace and airs. Pride came before the fall. If I had a choice, it would have been better for all. No matter who we call, the omens have closed, the way is shut upon us all. Dancing in the summer breeze, nonchalant, she brings disease. Taint strain of love before, the call of love again, to lose it all. Pride came before the fall, led down the stairs, the fall. Such atrocity rarely seen in the eyes of our captors, gunned down by the machine. And it is not fail words upon feeble paper unscripted. These are the knife wounds of rune script inflicted. They burn in the fabric of stars, set alight by my furious angst and my will for the fight. Pride came and she went, turned the wheel of fate, crushing my bones in its rotation. There is no more recant or recompensation. The doors are shut and can never be opened. Strange thing of this life, so permanently subject to change, that a soul would wind up caught in the spindles of karma. And gracious, it is what becomes of these short-sighted. Take a warning by me, not to lose one's own united. Pride came before the fall, swept my steadfast footing, swept me out to sea. There I lay cooking. It was one of those things she says with a smile. From a worded expression she kept for a while.